I feel teams should sit down with you guys and say, hey, you sent me that. That's a crock of shit. Like, I don't believe that, and this is why. And then you have an opportunity to come back and contest it and say, well, actually, we've changed all of this. And I think being able to capture more of that subjective data into these models as well. I would love to be able to measure your thoughts, like sit with you in a call, record what you're saying, take that sentiment and then apply that to the model as well. And then being able to leverage all of that information when we start to get to protocol designs in the future, so that we actually are playing chess rather than checkers when it comes to planning.
I like it. Yeah, I think if this does open up like conversation about these things, I mean, I think that would be a great outcome. Again, just to be able to know, rather than sort of getting peppered with FQs and then maybe hearing something back and maybe not. It'd be great if they're like, hey, no, we know that you're full of shit because you said this, but we know this. Well, okay, well, if you knew it, then why didn't you just tell me to begin with? And we could have worked together. And maybe it is. Maybe like, hey, you're right. This is a terrible study for us. So let's both part ways.
We had a conversation a couple of weeks back about this in general, about how communication between sites and sponsors is a huge issue that sort of like perpetuates across so many different spaces. And so to your point, Jonathan, to what you mentioned earlier, if this could be used as a tool to say, hey, this is some, data insights that we've gleaned from you. Not like this is the decision, but this is a tool to sort of guide that conversation and facilitate more communication between sites and sponsors. I can only see that being a positive.
I have a dream of making it like Tinder, right? So literally as a site, just swipe left, right, left, right, left, right on the protocols. I mean, how good would that be?
Just let me take some good profile pictures.